Union Station opened here in 1912 and Central Station in 1914 as Memphis consolidated 8 railroad depots down to 2. Union Station actually had 5 different railroad operations in here, Louisville and Nashville and Chesapeake, Ohio and Southwestern. It was a major east-west route across the country with the 2 bridges here. As post-World War II occurred, train, railroad traffic, passenger traffic started lessening throughout the country. So Union Station decided to close in 1964. Actually closed for a year, and then the city forced them or asked them to stay open for another year. Then it just declined. The furnishings were emptied out in 1968. Then it finally was torn down in 1969, and now replaced by this 38101 bulk mail center here, a very huge postal office operation for our city, but it's a shame not to see the great Union Station building here with this beautiful architecture.